guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. Yeah, let's get on to the video. First you're going to need, guys, I was about to make slime right now, but I'm like, wait, I should make a video, so I'm just going to fix stuff up. Okay guys, as you guys see, I have the ingredients here. So yeah, first I'm going to add the, seriously guys, I'm going to add the glue, so I'm going to put these to the side. I'm going to add some glue. Okay, I think I added the whole bottle. That's not good, but okay. I was making slime earlier, guys, so yeah. That's why my bucket's full of glue. So guys, now I added the glue all the way to right there, and that's how you can see like all that. Right here on the dimensions, that's how you can tell I was making slime earlier. And after you add the glue, you want to get some Tide. So like, you want to get a little bit, you guys don't want to get that much. So you guys want to pour it in. First, okay guys, and then like a little bit. Like guys, I like a little bit, like little, because last time I didn't make a video, but last time I had this slime, I added way, like literally way too much. So this time I'm gonna go like slowly. Oh, guys, that's turned into slime already. Really sticky cuts. They're really not standing. Pretty cool. I like this slime. Ah, I got sticky. Cause I'm the confidence in the bank, I'm still looking. So guys, that didn't come out because that was very, very sticky, so I'm going to add a little. I mean a lot more, because that's way too much, guys. Like literally way too much. I like sticky slime. That was like way too sticky. Why did I add more? Turn it down. Now it's going to come out okay. Dang it, guys. You guys are going to help me over here. Guys, I added way too much. Cause I'm good. Oh guys, it came into like the balls like clear. Look guys, this actually came in soon. I love that rubber stick. Add this rest of the Tide in here. Close this Tide for the rest of, if I make more slime. Put those to the side. Now guys, I'm gonna add some why am I being so crazy, guys? Dang it. Those people, I'm gonna go to my sister to open it. So hi guys, so
how would you do this? I don't know what that stuff was. The jars look exactly the same. How am I supposed to know which one has a real TV?
I put food coloring already in here. I'm gonna put more, guys. I don't know if I recorded. I don't know if I recorded this, guys.
We need a reversal potion. Maybe
Guys, if I did, I don't know if I did, but I probably didn't. I don't know, guys, cause
Now, what was it?
I wasn't paying attention to this. But if I didn't, my sister opened that thing. Guys, I don't know, but guys, please like, even if I messed up or not.
I'll tell you what you need. Seagrass? Green algae, red algae, sea sponge,
Ow.
sea slug slime. Is that what it is?
Pokey.
What? The ingredients for the reversal potion? Yes, that's right. And don't forget,
Move.
we need help too. Of course we need help. How can you make a potion without help? We divided the list. You should be able to find something right.
Yeah, I have an ice cream. I haven't opened it. Yes. This turned into good slime. So this is how it turned out.
I don't fancy those stairs on my own.
I like this slime a lot. I don't know why.
Maybe I should stay and watch her.
I'm gonna add shaving cream. Add a little bit, guys, not that much, okay? So, okay.
Anything else? Thank you.
Oh.
Nice.
This is how it turned out, guys.
Lovely grotto you have.
Yeah, it turned out pretty cool.
Your work, you again.
Actually good, guys. Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell button. You already know it. Yeah, guys, you already know it. Subscribe. Hit the bell button, like I just said earlier. Yeah. Okay, see you on my next video. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
This interview is very important to me.
Bye, guys. Oh, I couldn't do it. Help me. Okay.
Does your stomach ever take a break?
I'll do this, and then you're gonna pause it, okay?
Now that I've left the cafe business, I'm thinking about going to a new one.